Hello students, today we are going to start our second part. Yesterday we have done first part. So let's start. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket Beach in Thailand. When Tilly saw that sea was rising, so she alerted many peoples and she saved lives. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. She won many prizes, many awards, but her parents did not want her to give interview and face the same problem in her mind, think all the things, all the uh, troublesome things in her mind, and she will be in trouble. Why do you think they took that decision? They took that decision because they did not want to put their daughter into a trouble again because of mental torture, mental tension. If she thinks again and again, she repeats again and again same horrible things about the giant waves, about the destruction, she will be tortured mentally. That's why her parents did not allow her to give interview on television. Now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. They were celebrating Christmas on a beach resort like restaurant. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7-year-old. Their parents were Penny and Clint Smith. Tilly's parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. The waves are moving on. The sea was rising and waves are coming into the cities. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. Tsunami waves triggered by a massive earthquake. Triggered means started by a massive means big earthquake. बड़े earthquake से वो जो waves थी वो start हुई थी, जो कि earthquake कहाँ था, नॉर्दर्न सुमात्रा में, उसी मॉर्निंग. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Water swell हो रहा था. Swell you understand? जब चोट लग जाती है तो पैर में swelling आ जाती है, मोटा हो जाता है. Like water was swelling means water का जो साइज़ है वो बढ़ रहा था, वेव्स का जो साइज़ है वो बढ़ रहा था. And they were coming in means into the city. Penny Smith remembered. Penny Smith याद करती है. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. Beach means the land near the bank of sea. I didn't know what was happening. मैं नहीं जानती थी कि क्या हो रहा था. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. लेकिन उसे एहसास हो गया था. She felt that something was going wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson. She thought about a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. थाईलैंड आने से पहले उसने जब 2 हफ्ते पहले ये ज्योग्राफी लेसन में पढ़ा था अबाउट जाइंट वेव्स, अबाउट अर्थक्वेक इनसाइड द सी, एंड टिली सा द सी स्लोली राइज, उसने देखा धीरे धीरे समुद्र का जो लेवल है वो ऊपर उठ रहा था, एंड स्टार्ट टू फॉर्म, उसमें बबल्स बनना शुरू हो रहे थे, एंड फॉर्म वर्लपूल, जो है वेव्स थी वो वर्लपूल में एक चक्कर की तरह से बन रही थी. शी रिमेंबर दैट शी हैड सीन दिस इन क्लास इन अ वीडियो ऑफ सुनामी दैट हैड हिट हवाइया आइलैंड इन 1946. जो वीडियो उसे दिखाया गया था ज्योग्राफी क्लास में, वो वीडियो जिसमें सुनामी ने हिट किया था हवाइया आइलैंड को. हवाइया आइलैंड एक प्लेस है 1946 में. वो सब उसे याद आया जो उसने वीडियो में देखा था. हर ज्योग्राफी टीचर had shown her class the video and told them the tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. उन्होंने बताया था, ज्योग्राफी टीचर ने बताया था कि जो सुनामी है वो अर्थक्वेक के कारण आ सकती है, वॉल्केनो के कारण आ सकती है, या फिर लैंडस्लाइड के कारण आ सकती है. Tilly started to scream. Scream means shouting. She started shouting at her family to get off the beach. Means come far from the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical. Hysterical means some kind of mental tension. She was shouting aloud, said her mother Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was. मैं नहीं जानती थी कि सुनामी क्या होती थी. But seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. पेनी स्मिथ कहती हैं कि मैं नहीं जानती थी कि सुनामी क्या होती थी, लेकिन जब मैंने अपनी बेटी को डरे हुए देखा तो मैंने सोचा कि कुछ गलत होने वाला है, कुछ सीरियस होने वाला है. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at a hotel. So they left the beach and they reached to a hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out of them. It was looking like that the complete sea turns into waves and entered the city. I was screaming, "Run, run!" Then the family took refuge in the 3rd floor of the hotel. They reached to the 3rd floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of the 3 tsunami waves. 3 tsunami waves struck the hotel, but the hotel was strong. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. अगर वो बीच पर ही रुके होते तो वो जिंदा नहीं होते. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost their entire families. स्मिथ फैमिली जो थी वो बाद में दूसरे लोगों से मिली जिन्होंने अपनी पूरी फैमिली खो दी थी. थैंक्स टू टिली एंड हर ज्योग्राफी लेसन दे हैड फॉरवार्म्ड. वो टिली का और ज्योग्राफी लेसन का थैंक करते हैं क्योंकि उनकी वजह से उन्हें पहले ही वार्निंग मिल गई. टिली वेंट बैक टू हर स्कूल इन इंग्लैंड एंड टोल्ड हर क्लासमेट्स हर टेरिफाइंग टेल. तो वो पहुंचती है इंग्लैंड वापस और अपने स्कूल में अपने क्लास टीचर को, अपने क्लासमेट्स को ये सारी भयानक कहानी सुनाती है. नाउ कंप्रिहेंशन चेक. आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन अ फ्रेज और अ सेंटेंस. अ फ्रेज मीन्स आंसर इन 2 or 3 words, 2, 3, 4 words. और sentence you know very well. Single sentence. Why did Tilly Smith's family come to Thailand to celebrate Christmas? What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? They saw The beach was getting smaller and smaller, and the sea was rising higher. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? No, Tilly's mother did not know about what tsunami was, but she saw her daughter was screaming and she thought something serious went on. So that's why she thought that it is dangerous to stay at beach. Where had Tilly seen the sea? In the same strange fashion. Tilly saw the sea in the same strange fashion in geography lesson in her class in England. In the video, she saw that the sea was coming up, rising up, and the waves were getting larger and larger. And all these things she saw into the geography lesson. Her geography teacher told her that a tsunami may be caused by earthquakes, maybe by volcano, and the third thing is volcano, and so whatever you may see in the previous pages. All right. Where did the Smith family and other on the beach go to escape from tsunami? They went to the third floor of the hotel. How do you think her geography lesson felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? Her geography teacher felt proud on the presence of mind of Tilly, and he felt that like he had saved many lives. So third part we will continue in the next video. Thank you.